running one company and you are serving something, you are giving something online, giving some type of services, and out of those services some orders are coming from online portal and some orders are coming from phone calls, telecom. कुछ मेरे जैसे बूढ़े भी तो होंगे जो ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर नहीं दे पाएंगे, कंफर्टेबली फोन करके उन्हें कंफर्टेबल लगता है, तो यू हैव सम ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम दैट ऑर्डर. उसमें क्या होता है, प्रॉब्लम यू आर हैविंग दैट wrong delivery, that is the problem of your situation, is wrong delivery. What is happening, people who are taking order on phone calls, they are putting those orders in an Excel sheet, typing them in, and that Excel sheet is being given to the delivery or other department. Because of this, I don't know what is the reason, there are some wrong deliveries. Now meeting has been called to reduce this number of wrong deliveries, and in that delivery, if someone is speaking, sharing, और मेरे जैसा वहाँ बंदा पहुँच गया, who is having all the data, sir, our 80% orders are online, 20% of orders are from phone calls, and because of this we are having some wrong deliveries. And someone has suggested कि ये wrong deliveries का reason जो है phone call से ही हो रहा है, खत्म करें 100% ऑनलाइन ही करें. And again he will share the information without any biasness, without any feelings. Sir, if we would go the 20%, 100% online, probably we would lose the orders, because customers who are giving order online, they are not comfortable. In our conversation we always have found that they prefer to give order in telephonic call. So we would lose 20% business. He directly said we would lose 20% business. ये क्या है? ये सारा information. So white hat is information hack. When we are talking about information, that is यहाँ पे क्या करना? Here we are talking about when we are wearing this white hat, we check whether this information is checked or unchecked. So first hat is blue hat. Basically, this is not a thinking hat, and this is about your dean sir. What he does, he makes processes, how the things would be done. So when you are in meeting, someone would be there to control the meeting. Someone would be there to decide what we are going to do today. Someone would be there who would conclude at the end. That blue hat. जब आप अपने ग्रुप में डिसाइड करते हो ना आज शाम को कहाँ जाना है, तो उसमें एक बंदा होता है जो सारी चीज़ें डिसाइड कर रहा होता है. Why सबको बुलाता है. And you would ask him why we are here. He would tell you why we are here, how we are going to decide. हम voting करेंगे या इसकी choice पे जाएंगे. The blue thinking hat people is our mind when we are in the blue hat. जब हम imaginary when we are wearing this blue hat, we are managing our thinking. We are controlling our thinking. This thinking hat focuses. एग्जाम से पहले आपके मोबाइल पे बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आते हैं, पर आपका दिमाग कहता है नो, बस 6 आवर्स ही बचे हैं, अभी इंस्टा नहीं देखना. लास्ट पोस्ट में कितने लाइक हुए, चलो कल सुबह देख लेंगे, अभी बंद करते हैं. अगर एक बार गए ना तो स्क्रॉल करते करते वीडियो देखने लग जाएंगे. माइंड कहता है ना डोंट गो देयर, फोकस ऑन योर एग्जामिनेशन. तो दैट इज उस समय जब आपका माइंड कहता है ना फोकस, दैट यू आर यूजिंग ब्लू हैट एट दैट टाइम.